Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On behalf of the Embassy of Pakistan in Abu Dhabi and the entire Pakistani community in the UAE, I extend my warmest congratulations to the leadership, citizens and residents of the United Arab Emirates on the 54th National Day, Eid al-Ittihad. The UAE's remarkable journey since unification continues to inspire the world. Pakistan and the UAE share a deep and historic relationship shaped by mutual respect, shared values and close people-to-people ties. On this joyous occasion, I convey Pakistan's heartfelt best wishes to the UAE for continued success, peace and progress. Eid al-Ittihad Mubarak.